Ciao a tutti! Today we're in San Jose, California. We will have the Italian food for dinner later, but now we came to the Little Italy. It's a small area, but it has few restaurants, few cafes, and it's proudly keep the Italian names.
Right now we're standing in the middle of Little Italy in San Jose. Right behind me is Henry's High Life, which is well known for its steaks and ribs. But it was originally built in the late 1800s as a boarding house for Italian immigrants. A lot of immigrants from southern Italy come and settle here and start either work or start the orchards that we became famous for. For years, Santa Clara County was known for its apricots and its prunes. Later on, this became a hotel, and it still was owned by an Italian family. And today, it's a fabulous steakhouse.
Now we're in my favorite area of San Jose, in Santana Row. Here we have a dinner with Italian food. Then we will walk around, we'll show to you everything what there is here. We take you along everywhere. We have a little bit of time before dinner, so we will have few drinks here. This is where we have dinner. We go in and we take you along. This restaurant is very popular. It's Italian food. We'll show to you what we have. We start with bread, olive oil, and the salad. Look how beautiful. Vince ordered this good-looking chicken piccata. Lovely. Mine is chicken marsala. Also looks fantastic. And the dinner can't be complete without the dessert. Ambient and the food and the music is lovely. Well, what's our choice for dessert? It's tiramisu. Look how beautiful. Very nice weather. Wonderful evening. Finished the dinner and now we're ready for a walk.